When Lalitha returned home after working in a small school office, she asked her son Samarth, a 10th grade student, who was at home, "Did you study well in today's class? Did you have snack when you came back from school?" She asked affectionately as she walked in and sat down beside him. In response, Samarth said, "I studied well, Mom. As soon as I came home, I had a snack and now I am doing my homework, Mom." Then Lalitha, after preparing the dinner, left again for her part-time job. Since his father had passed away, it was very saddening for Samarth to see his mother working tirelessly from morning to night, managing the household expenses with the income she earned, and ensuring that he could continue his studies. Therefore, when Lalitha returned after finishing her work that night, Samarth, who was lying in her lap, said, "Mom, you are working so hard for my education expenses. So, after I finish my 10th grade this year, I will stop my education and start working. This way, your hard work will reduce." Upon hearing this, Lalitha said, "It is because I studied to some extent that I was able to get a suitable job, and with the income from that job, even without your father, I am able to admit you to a good school and ensure you continue your education. Moreover, this allows us to live with respect. If I hadn't studied, I would have gone to work as a laborer, and as a result, we would have struggled even to afford the food we eat. Moreover," she said, "it is my wish to get you admitted to a good college and help you live a successful life by studying the course you desire." Even after hearing this from his mother, he still did not want to continue his schooling because he did not want his mother to work hard. In this situation, an award ceremony for the best educator in his school was being held. Samarth attended the event with his mother. At the event, the retired police officer, who received the award for the best educator, spoke on the topic, the importance of education, to help students understand the significance of education. What he spoke at the event was, "In this place where parents and children are sitting together in this school, if you understand why parents should make their children study and why children should study, then you will realize that the importance of education is much greater than you might think. Never go a day without reading. This is a universal moral sentence. Stone in youth, as said in Athijuri. Learning is good, learning is good. Even if you have to beg, studying is good." These words were spoken by King Athivira Ramapandya. The reason our ancestors said this is that a king has no distinction outside his own country, except in his land. But for those who are educated, they have respect everywhere they go. Even if you are a king, your respect is only within your own country, but if you are educated, you will have respect wherever you go in the world. The people sitting on the stage in this arena are not decorating the stage because they are millionaires, but only because they are educated. The reason I am speaking in front of you now is that when I asked my father, who studied only up to the 5th grade, if I should stop my studies to reduce his hardships, he said, "Brother, if you study, no matter where you go in the world, even if everything else leaves you, this education will never leave you." The reason I am saying this with both emotion and joy on this stage is that the police uniform I once wore is no longer with me. This is because I am a former police officer, and the medals I received no longer adorn my chest. However, because the education I studied, as my father had said, remains with me, even after retiring from my job, I am able to travel to many parts of the world. With joy, he spoke about the recognition he had received through the education he gained and concluded his speech. Samarth, who was eagerly listening to what he was saying, then understood that his mother had also advised him in the same way the educator had mentioned. Understanding the greatness of education, he decided to continue his studies without stopping and completed his higher education. Through this, he secured a good job with a high salary. By working hard for himself and giving rest to his mother, who had struggled for him, he lived as an exemplary person.